Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will let to show you the way how to clean up the history or search history on your Safari to keep everything you do privately. So you just need to open your Safari application and you just need to take a look on this bottom side here. There will be several section. So you just need to go click this book section and there will be like a clock or watch symbols here, so you just need to click them, and here they will be like shown up to you the history of website that you have been searched before. So they will be like will be grouping into the time. So here is this for this afternoon, and they will be like the Sunday evening, Saturday with the date, Thursday with the date. I think it's already like 5 days here, so you just need to like find which day or which time that you want to clear the search history from. And here you just need to go click this clear history if you want to like clear the whole history. So you just need to go click this all history, and then you just need to go confirm that you want to clear it, and those history search is already disappeared. Basically that is the way how to do that, guys. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.